Hello everybody, thank you guys for tuning in into my weather channel here. I'm making this video to give you an update of what is going on and what is going to be expected for severe weather on the upcoming today and the upcoming days as well. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen in the news and all over social media what happened here in Central Florida. I've been down here in Florida for about 20 years, and I have never seen a hailstorm how we did see on Tuesday, specifically in the area of Groveland, Mascot, and South Claremont. Where they had massive hail down there. And it's extremely rare. I've been in Florida about 20 years and I've never seen a storm this bad. Talking to somebody that has been in the area for longer than I have, this storm was very similar, but not as intense as a storm seen in 1992. Now, the one thing I would like to, I'm not saying that, excuse me, I'm not saying that we're going to see a repeat of 1992, but there are some similarities as far as what is happening. So, for example, 1992, one of the worst hailstorms that hit Central Florida, specifically around Winter Garden, Ocoee, Orlando, parts of Kissimmee, they got really hammered with a lot of hail. I mean, I saw some videos where basically, up to like a foot of just accumulated hailstones on the ground. So obviously this year it wasn't as bad as that, but nevertheless it caused a lot of damage and it still caused some issues. But let me just, this is just my thinking. 1992, we had in March a severe hailstorm. Eventually that was our El Nino year. In August, we had Hurricane Andrew, a massive Category 5. I say massive meaning strength-wise because the storm wasn't as big as some other storms like Irma and Dorian and other ones that I have formed in the past. But you saw the similarity. You see the similarity. So hailstorm, massive hailstorm in March, El Nino year, and then you had Category 5 hurricane. This year, a little bit later, but we have a pretty bad hailstorm in April. We're expecting a full, I don't want to say a full-blown El Nino year, but it's expected to be moderate to strong El Nino that can potentially form, according to the experts. And we'll have to see if history repeats itself and we get a really strong hurricane making landfall. Everything is pointing out that the east coast of Florida may get a hurricane this year. That's exactly what happened in 1992. It was that's where Hurricane Andrew came. It came through the east coast. East coast hurricanes, at least in Florida, they're not that common. A lot of them, they do curve out to sea or scrape the coast, but very few make landfall every few years, and especially massive hurricanes like Andrew and others, really, really strong ones. It doesn't happen often. But that's something that we're gonna have to continue to see if history repeats itself. But this is something that I wanted to show you guys. As you guys can see here, we have multiple areas that we're watching for potential severe weather. Now, we're not expecting anything like yesterday here in Florida or in Texas, and or Tuesday, neither. But nevertheless, there's some areas that we're watching for potential severe weather. Now, this is for today. Now, let me go back, and tomorrow in Texas, definitely a much better chance of severe weather. You guys can see how it's actually so it's actually enhanced here, enhanced chance. Florida is out of the slight chance of potential severe weather, just a marginal chance. But Texas, we will definitely be watching this area because the majority of Texas, a great portion of Texas, is under slight, and then they have a concentrated area in northeast Texas where enhanced chance of potential hailstorms and also tornadoes. But if you guys are located in these areas, please watch your local news, be aware of what's happening. And other than that, this is just a quick update of severe weather for Florida and Texas, mainly Texas for tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching. Put any comments, any questions in the comment section below. And other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.